Hi, I'm Evan with Sporting Smiles. Today, I'm going to show you how we can use your own dental model that you might have got from your dentist or orthodontist and turn it into a retainer. If everything looks good with your model, you want to go to sportingsmiles.com, select the retainers. We have a few different types of retainers. We have singles, and then we have doubles for upper and lower. We have our standard material, and then our Essex Plus material, which is a little bit more durable. You want to select the type of retainers that you prefer, purchase the item, and then after you're done ordering the item, you want to send us an email letting us know that you're going to use your own model. That way we'll email you a return label and you can package your impression up to send to us. You want to make sure that model is wrapped very well so it does not get damaged during shipping. We can use pretty much any type of impression, from plaster to dental stone to 3D printed models. You just want to verify that there is no cracks or chips in your model beforehand. When packaging your model, make sure it's packaged very well so it does not get damaged during shipping. Once we receive your models, we will then 3D scan them into our system, creating an exact duplicate of your model on file, and then send it to our 3D printer to have a copy printed. After the scan is complete, it'll get sent to our 3D printer. It'll now come out of the 3D printer. Here you can see the finished models. The next step will be forming the retainer. The next step, the retainer material will be formed on top of the 3D printed model. From here, it'll go to our lab techs where they will be trimmed and polished correctly. One thing to note when we use outside models is that we do not warranty them. We do know that the retainer will fit correctly on top of the model you provided, but that might not be accurate to your teeth, so we cannot warranty them. So if you have a pair of old models laying in a drawer and you'd like to get a backup set of retainers, go to our website, sportingsmiles.com. If you have any additional questions, feel free to send us an email or give us a call. Thank you.